the president has supported both employers, manufacturers, there are people in the agricultural sector of our economy with hard cash to make sure that jobs are cushioned. But then we can still meet and make some minor adjustments here and there when it comes to terms of either minimum wage or the negotiated collective bargaining agreements to make sure that those who are serving under these difficult situations, their pockets are not depleted. People are really suffering. This is the appeal and I know you, President. There is a story that I have not told Kenyans. If you happen to have a problem and you move close to our president, even a problem of funeral, and you tell the president, I have a relative or a neighbor who has lost a loved one. But these people cannot access to have even a coffin or something to make sure there is a home send-off of their beloved one. What the president, our president, does, first of all, is to pull out his handkerchief. He starts shedding. This is a really story. Or somebody cannot be able to pay school fees. You have been so sympathetic to Kenyans, and you have a chance, you can still devise a method in your own wisdom to say how can we be able to little bit compensate our officers, our doctors, our medical students, those people who are there, all those people who are serving, and those factories and companies that are serving under these difficulties. How do we also be mindful of their own welfare, as the late president used to tell us, that your hand to assist somebody who is a neighbor is a service to God.